Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel, where learning English is made easy, practical, and fun. I'm Emily and I am...
And I am Clark. Hello everyone! Today we are visiting one of the most famous and universal landmarks in the world. Whether you are traveling, in a hurry, or just craving comfort food, you will eventually find yourself here. We are talking about how to speak and order at McDonald's.
This is such a fun and highly useful topic. Ordering fast food in English should be quick and easy, but it can actually get stressful because the workers move very fast. Plus, there is specific vocabulary like meals, combos, sides, and the drive-thru.
Exactly. If you hesitate or get confused by the rapid questions about sizes, sauces, and drinks, you might end up with a massive portion you didn't want, or worse, no fries at all. Today, we are breaking down these essential phrases into 4 clear steps: ordering your main items and making it a meal, customizing your burgers and choosing sauces, ordering desserts and drinks, and handling payment at the window or counter.
We will practice these phrases naturally together. Before we begin, please take a quick second to hit that subscribe button, click the like icon, and share this episode with a friend who loves a good cheat meal. Let's step right up to the counter with step 1, ordering the mains and meals.
When you get to the front of the line, the cashier will ask, "What can I get started for you today?" Let's practice how to order your main burgers or nuggets. Phrase 1.
Hi there, can I please get a Big Mac but just the sandwich by itself?
I'd like to order a 10-piece Chicken McNuggets meal with a side of fries and a Coca-Cola.
Could I get a double cheeseburger combo and can we make the fries and drink a large, please?
Hi, do you still serve the Filet-O-Fish and does it come with tartar sauce automatically?
I'd like to order a Happy Meal for my child. Can we do the cheeseburger option with apple slices instead of fries?
Is your breakfast menu still available, or have you already switched over to the lunch menu?
Can I get a sausage McMuffin with egg but without the cheese, please?
I'll take a spicy McChicken sandwich, a medium fry, and a sweet tea.
Are those premium chicken tenders a permanent menu item or are they a limited time offer?
Could you make that 2 quarter pounders with cheese, please?
Off to a delicious start. In phrase 3, speaker 2 asked to make the fries and drink a large. In fast food, this is often called supersizing or sizing up your meal. By default, a meal comes with medium sides, so you must explicitly ask if you want the largest size.
McDonald's is famous for its fast pace, but you can still customize your food. Removing ingredients you don't like or choosing your dipping sauces is where many English learners get stuck. Let's practice. Phrase 11.
Can I get that quarter pounder but with no pickles and no onions, please?
Could you put the Big Mac sauce on the side instead of directly on the burger?
I'd like to add extra bacon and a slice of tomato to my McChicken, please.
What dipping sauces do you have for the nuggets? I'll take 2 sweet and sour and 1 tangy barbecue, please.
Can I substitute the French fries in my meal for a side salad or some fruit?
Is it possible to get my fries cooked fresh so they are extra hot and crispy?
Could you please leave the salt off my fries? I prefer them unsalted.
Does the McDouble come with ketchup and mustard, or just mustard?
Can I swap the American cheese for Swiss cheese on this breakfast bagel?
I'd like extra shredded lettuce on my burger, if that doesn't cost extra.
Could you add a packet of honey mustard sauce to my bag, please?
I want the burger plain, just the meat and the bun with absolutely nothing else on it.
Are your French fries fried in vegetable oil or do you use beef tallow?
Can I get an extra empty cup so I can share my soft drink with my friend?
Please make sure the cheese is melted properly on the cheeseburger. Wonderful customization. In phrase 22, speaker 1 used the word plain. Ordering a burger plain is a very important fast food shortcut. It tells the kitchen to leave off all sauces, pickles, onions, and cheese, giving you just the cooked beef patty on a dry bun.
Now let's talk about the sweet stuff. From milkshakes to hot apple pies and the legendary McFlurry, McDonald's has a famous dessert lineup. Let's practice how to order them.
I'd like to add a medium chocolate milkshake to my order, please.
Is your soft serve ice cream machine working today, or is it temporarily down?
Could I please get an Oreo McFlurry with extra crushed Oreo cookies mixed in?
I'll take 2 of your baked apple pies. And could you make sure they are warm?
Can I get a hot fudge sundae but with caramel sauce instead of chocolate fudge?
Could I get a vanilla cone, but in a small paper cup instead of a wafer cone?
Do you offer iced coffee here? I'd like a medium iced French vanilla coffee.
I'll take a chocolate chip cookie. Is it served warm and gooey?
Can I get a frozen strawberry lemonade to help cool down on this hot day?
Do you charge extra for a cup of tap water, or is it complimentary with my meal?
Finally, we handled the logistics. The cashier will ask if the order is for here or to go, give you your total, and tell you where to collect your food. Let's practice these final transactional phrases. Phrase 36.
This order is to go, please. We will be eating in the car.
I have a digital discount coupon code on my McDonald's mobile app. Can you scan it?
I'm picking up a mobile order for shake. The code on my screen is MC42.
Should I pay you here at the first window, or do I pay at the second window where I get my food?
Could I get a couple of extra napkins and some ketchup packets in the bag, please?
Excuse me, I think my order is missing the medium French fries we paid for.
I ordered an orange juice, but this looks like a carbonated Fanta. Can I swap it, please?
Do you accept Apple Pay or contactless mobile payments at this register?
Can I get a plastic tray? We've decided we'd actually prefer to dine in.
Thanks a lot. Have a great shift and a wonderful day.
Now, let's listen to how a few of these phrases flow together seamlessly in a real short role-play scenario. Speaker 1 will play the McDonald's cashier, and Speaker 2 will be the hungry customer. Let's listen.
Welcome to McDonald's. What can I get started for you today?
Hi there. I'd like to order a 10-piece Chicken McNuggets meal, please.
Excellent. 10-piece nugget meal? What dipping sauces would you like with that? You get 2 with the 10-piece.
I'll take 1 sweet and sour and 1 tangy barbecue, please.
Perfect. Sweet and sour and barbecue. And what drink can I get with your meal?
Can I get a Coca-Cola? And could we make the fries and drink a large, please?
Sizing it up to a large Coke and large fry. Got it. Any desserts or milkshakes to add to your order today?
Yes, actually. Is your soft serve ice cream machine working today, or is it temporarily down?
Lucky for you, it is fully working today.
Oh, awesome. In that case, can I also get an Oreo McFlurry with extra crushed Oreo cookies mixed in?
1 Oreo McFlurry with extra Oreo. Perfect. Will that be for here or to go?
It will be to go, please. And I also have a digital discount coupon code on my McDonald's mobile app. Can you scan it?
Sure. Just hold up your phone screen right over the red scanner. Perfect. It applied the discount. Your total altogether comes out to $12.50. Whenever you're ready, you can tap your card on the reader. All set, Shake. Your receipt is printing now. You can step over to the pickup counter on your left, call out your number, 84, as soon as your nuggets and McFlurry are ready.
That's perfect. Thank you so much for your help.
And that is how you conquer your McDonald's run completely in English. You did a fantastic job following along today.
Yes, exceptional work. The next time you walk up to a busy fast food counter or pull up to the drive-thru speaker, you don't have to feel rushed or nervous. You have the exact formula to order exactly what you want.
If this lesson helped add a boost to your everyday conversational English confidence, please remember to subscribe to our channel, give this episode a thumbs up, and leave a comment below with your go-to McDonald's order.
Until our next class, keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep growing.
Bye, everyone.